How you guys doing? This is Callzone GH. We're gonna do ST. We're gonna do ST. Wait a minute. PQR STU today. We're gonna do STU today. Let's do S first. What I do usually like this, but Palmer method, it's a little bit different, like this. Either way fine. Let's do T. You can write like this T, or you can write like this T. Either way fine. T. Let's do U. U, or you can do like this U. U. Yeah, either way fine. Let's do small s. Small s. Let's do T. Okay, you can do this, and you can also like this too. Let's do U. Okay, so we did STU, big letters and small letters. And tomorrow we're gonna do V, W, X, Y, Z, 5 letters together, because it's only 5 letters. So I usually do 3 letters a day, but I cannot do 3 letters and 2 letters. But I'm gonna do all of them together. All right. Have a great day, and thank you for watching the video. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.